How are you? I hope that all is okay, fit and fine. I am Payal. I am student of 10th class from Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Gonyana Mandi. My topic is different ways to say I disagree. First, disagree. I often disagree with my sister. Second, differ. I'm afraid I differ from your opinion. Third, fall out. Don't ever fall out with your parents. Fourth, be at odds. Harpreet, we are friends. Let's not be at odds while playing. Fifth, disapprove of. I'm sorry, but I completely disapprove of your ideas. 6. Run counter to. Do this till run counter to the new proposal. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed.